If you run an advisory business, I'm going to show you how you can get clients on demand without advertising using LinkedIn in 2022. The first step is to build your network of target clients. So let's say hypothetically, the client that meets your ideal avatar is someone that runs a dental clinic or practice. So you can type in dentist, hit enter, and of course just substitute this for the types of clients that you support as an advisor, service provider, coach, consultant, whatever application you're in. Then you can go over to your filters, choose your location. Let's say I want to build my network Australia-wide, or you can go more narrow, of course. And then what I can do is come down here and put in owner, click show search results. And then I've got 503 dentists that own their clinics or practices that I can go ahead and add to my network. So you might be sending 20 invitations a day to add these dentists to your network. So that's step one. Next thing that you're going to do in your advisory business to convert clients without advertising is run a free educational training or event using LinkedIn's own features. So if you scroll down on the left here, you'll see events. If you hit this plus icon, you can run a Zoom, a Hangout, some sort of training where you can showcase how you can solve their biggest problems, educate them up front, create that trust, transference, and value, and then at the end give them an invitation to apply to work with you for the paid way to get those problems solved. So that's how you're going to bring the clients on board. So you go through, put a cover image in, put your details in for organizing the event, whether it's online or in person, select the event format. The event name is your hook for the event and the most important step in getting as many people as possible to want to register and attend. So you want to use this formula, X steps to X results in X time frame, and just substitute and fill in the blanks. So it could be 3 steps to losing 10% body fat in 90 days without dieting, something along those lines. And you can just fill in to make it appropriate for your niche and your target audience. Put in your time zone, start date, when it finishes, and then in the description you want to have the 3 to 5 biggest takeaways that they're going to get from attending this live session. So that the problems that you're going to solve, so stick to the pain points, what are their biggest frustrations, and put them as the bullet points of what they're going to have an answer for if they come and attend this free training. Put yourself in as a speaker, and your event is then set up and ready to start marketing and fill without advertising. So we'll go to the next step in the process. Once your event is live, the final step is filling that event without any advertising. So what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll see this invite button. If you click on that, you can go through and invite every single person in your network that's a great fit or a target client to attend this Zoom, Hangout, event, seminar, training, whatever you've positioned it as. And to do that, you can use the filters if you want to narrow it down. Just select them, as many as you want. Click invite, and they'll receive an invitation to attend the event, which is why that name for your event is super important. If the hook is attractive enough, you'll have a lot of people put their hand up. And then your job is to perform on event day, add all the value so they can see how working with you is going to solve their biggest problems, and then have an application process at the end where they can apply to work with you further. So that way you set up the right sales dynamics from the event that you've set up. Just to show how powerful this free marketing process is to add clients to your business, this is an event I ran last year. And as you can see, just from inviting people in my LinkedIn network, there were 70 people that put their hand up and registered for the event. So that's, first of all, 70 prospects that are interested in the solutions that we offer. And then, of course, the opportunity to add value and then have that invitation to apply for the services at the end. So this is how quickly you can build up an enormous amount of leads and opportunities for your business. Get clients in the right sales dynamics that are qualified, educated up front and in advance, so they're going to convert a lot more highly in the sales process. The goal is just to keep growing your network, adding more and more target clients so you can continually invite more and more people to attend these events. So you'll have a lot more people show up, a lot more people attend, and then a lot more people apply for your services at the end. If you do this consistently for 12 months, you're going to build a very successful advisory business through the LinkedIn platform. Any questions, put them in the comments below. Depending on where you watch this, make sure you subscribe so you get more tips and tricks to grow your business